If you're thinking about buying the Wallbreeze AC, you may want to hold off for a few minutes because the marketing makes some bold promises that deserve a closer look. The product is advertised as a compact wall-mounted cooling device that claims to provide fast, efficient cooling while using very little electricity, making it sound like an affordable alternative to a traditional air conditioner. After researching the available information, the overall picture is more balanced than the advertisements suggest. The biggest thing to understand is that Wallbreeze AC is not a true air conditioner with a compressor, so it cannot realistically cool an entire room the way a standard AC unit can. In most cases, products like this function more like a small personal fan or air cooler, meaning the cooling effect is usually limited to the area directly in front of the device. That doesn't automatically make it a bad product, but it does mean expectations should be realistic. Another point worth considering is the lack of detailed technical specifications and independently verified performance data supporting many of the promotional claims. While some buyers may appreciate its compact design, quiet operation, and potentially lower power consumption, others have reported that the actual cooling performance falls short of what the advertisements imply, especially during extremely hot weather. It's also important to look carefully at the return policy, warranty information, shipping times, and customer support before placing an order, as these details can vary depending on where the product is purchased. If you're expecting a replacement for a traditional air conditioner, Wallbreeze AC is unlikely to meet those expectations. However, if you're simply looking for a small personal cooling device for close-range use, it may provide some value depending on your needs. The final result is that Wallbreeze AC doesn't appear to be an outright scam based on the available information, but many of its marketing claims seem exaggerated. The smartest decision is to focus on verified specifications rather than promotional promises so you know exactly what you're paying for and can avoid disappointment after your purchase.